Good evening, students. Today we'll be learning about binary files and CSV files. So I'm going as per the bullet, as per the sequence in the syllabus. So the next bullet contains binary files as well as CSV files. Alright. So what are binary files? Binary files are those which have the contents in binary. Okay. Binary matlab zeros and ones. So if you are saving, say we are saving a photograph that is JPEG file, joint pixel expert group, So when you click a photo, you see the photo has the extension this photo name, file name .jpeg joint pixel expert group, say a.jpeg. So these photographs are stored in binaries. That means only zeros and one. Entire photograph, the data of the entire photograph is stored as zeros and one. Alright. So what is the main topic today? Our main today basically we will be learning about binary files and CSV files. Binary files are those where the content is saved in a file. The content can be a document, a photograph, a GIF, graphics interchange format, GIF, whatsoever. So that content of that photograph, that word file, that GIF is stored in the form of binary values. Alright. So it is the binary file cannot be generally read by us, by the humans, but computer can read it. Okay, computer readable format. Binary files is a computer readable format only, not human readable format. Alright. So executable codes are stored in a binary file. Executable codes. Alright, these are the basic definition. Then next comes CSV files. As I already told you, CSV files are those comma, CSV stands for comma separated value. Okay, CSV files are those which stores tabular data like spreadsheets. Alright. So in this video we'll learn how to open a binary file, how to read it, how to open a CSV file, how to read it. ओपन करेंगे, रीड करेंगे, एग्जिस्टिंग फाइल होगा तो नया फाइल होगा तो उसमें राइट करेंगे, ओवरराइट भी कर सकते हैं. ऑलराइट. देन एट लास्ट SOP standard operating procedure is that we will be closing the file. So we will be learning in today's video how to open these two files, how to read or write in these two files, and how to close it. Simple sa hai. Alright. Okay students, so I have written 4 commands here. Alright, and I will explain. So first, in the first one, what I have done, I have opened the file. जो भी फाइल खोलना है, file name you will be putting it here. जो भी फाइल खोलना है, I'll open the file in the first command. So जो भी फाइल खोलना है उस फाइल का नाम यहाँ पे डालिए. Alright, and W+B. This is what? This is the SS mode. This is what? This is the SS mode. ACCESS. SS mode. Alright, this is the SS mode. So I have already told you, append करना है फाइल को तो SS mode A. Okay, if you want to read then R. If you want to write the file, SS mode is W. Alright. So different SS modes were there. This is for appending, this is for reading the file, existing file, this is for writing or overwriting the file. Here, as it is a binary file, so this B will come. Write in binary. Plus B means B stands for binary. Alright. Similarly, आपको अगर append करना है तो you will write A plus B. आपको अगर read करना है तो R plus B. Okay. So reading the binary file. So this is called the SS mode. So the first command, what it will do? It will open the file. कौन सा फाइल? इस वाला फाइल को जो नाम आप देंगे उसको ओपन करेगा. इन राइट मोड and binary. Alright. Next, what I will do after opening the file, I will read the file. What I will do after opening it, I will read. As it is an existing file, data are already stored. Now I will be reading those data. Whatever data is there in the whatever content of the file is present, I will read those content. That content, after reading, I have stored those content in a file variable. This is called a file variable. File variable का नाम भी content रखा है. File variable का नाम भी f content रखा गया है. That is up to you, whatever name you will choose, variable name. Okay. File variable. After reading the file, the values are stored. The values are stored in the file content variable. F content variable. Alright. This is how the second command works. The third command is fwrite hello. What it will do? It will override the existing content. It will override the existing content of this file. जो भी नाम दिया गया था, existing content of this file, it will override as hello in binary format. Hello का binary interpretation जो बैठेगा, binary interpretation को override करके इसमें डाला जाएगा. What this will do? अच्छा से थर्ड वाला कमांड क्या करेगा? 1 2 3 थर्ड वाला कमांड क्या करेगा? थर्ड वाला कमांड एग्जिस्टिंग फाइल जिसे हम लोगों ने ओपन किया है उस वाला in that file name it will override the content. पहला चीज by what it will override? It will override as hello. Hello का binary interpretation निकलेगा. First what it will do? Hello का binary interpretation. Those binary interpretation will be stored in this file. Will be overwritten in the existing file. Existing file का content के ऊपर overwrite करके hello का binary content बैठ जाएगा. Alright. And lastly, we will close it. We will close the binary file which you have opened in the first line. Alright. This is how you can open a binary file. You can read its content. Read function को call किया, inbuilt function है. Alright. कोई भी हेडर फाइल को बुलाने का जरूरत नहीं पड़ा, डायरेक्टली कॉल कर दिया रीड फंक्शन को. राइट हेलो देन एफ क्लोज. आपको और एक आध चीज पता होना चाहिए कि एफ डॉट रीड जैसे कॉल किया गया है वैसे ही एफ डॉट रीड लाइन इज ए फंक्शन. रीड लाइन इज ए फंक्शन. इफ यू instead of this read, if you are calling f dot read line, what it will do? It will read the first line of the file. First line of this file it will read. Read line क्या करेगा? पहला लाइन को ही रीड करेगा. रीड क्या कर रहा है? एंटायर फाइल को रीड कर रहा है. रीड लाइन क्या करेगा? सिर्फ पहला लाइन को रीड करेगा. If you want only say first 9 characters, first 10 characters, first 5 characters to be readed, then what it will do? You will write f dot read so 9. देखिए this 3 you should be familiar with. ये तो बाइनरी फाइल खत्म. यहाँ पे बाइनरी फाइल ends here. Alright. Now I am explaining about the inbuilt function. Inbuilt function हमने क्या किया? f dot read को कॉल किया यहाँ पे. Okay. इसका वर्किंग क्या है? It will read the entire file. If I call read line, then what it will do? It will read only the first line of the file. If I write like this, f dot read ब्रैकेट में कुछ वैल्यू डाल दिया, मान लीजिए 5, then what it will read? It will read the first 5 characters of the file. First 5 characters कहाँ पे चल रहेगा? पहला लाइन में ही रहेगा obviously. Alright. So मैंने 9 लिखा मतलब क्या? फाइल का फर्स्ट लाइन का 9 कैरेक्टर्स. फर्स्ट लाइन बोल के ऐसा मैंडेटरी नहीं है. फाइल में फर्स्ट 9 कैरेक्टर्स को रीड करेगा. से ओनली 1 कैरेक्टर इज देयर इन 1 लाइन. से ऐसा है, फाइल का कंटेंट ऐसा है, हर एक लाइन में नया नया कुछ है. तो ऐसा फर्स्ट 9 कैरेक्टर्स ऑफ द फाइल इट विल रीड एंड इट विल रीड द फर्स्ट फुल लाइन फर्स्ट लाइन ऑफ द फाइल. First 9 characters of the file which is stored in the file. First 9 characters which is stored in the file. And what it will do? And it will read the entire file. Alright. Lastly, we will be discussing about CSV file, comma separated value. Okay. So these are the steps. First you have to import CSV. Here you have to import the header. Alright. What it will do? It will give us the path of the file. If you import CSV, we will get the path of the file. then you will call the code, then code will be displayed, then you will run that code. Running that code implies getting the output. ठीक है, steps मालूम होना चाहिए. ये बोलने से you might be confused, that's why I am explaining with an example. Alright, the procedure I am explaining with an example, how to open a CSV file. For opening a CSV file, you will need to import the CSV, that is an inbuilt header file. Alright, that इसको import करना है. Then what it will do, you will open a text file. A text file will be opened in CSV mode. Alright, text format .txt को CSV format में हम लोग खोल रहे हैं. So open a.text, फाइल का नाम जो भी रहेगा, मैंने मान लिया कि a है फाइल का नाम, टेक्स्ट फाइल है और नाम है a.text. आपको जो भी फाइल ओपन करना है उसका नाम डालिए यहाँ पे. Alright, as CSV file, this colon. Then what it will do, then CSV reader is one variable. Alright, CSV reader पे वेरिएबल है जिसमें रखा जाएगा क्या, CSV reader, CSV फाइल, ये फाइल को as CSV फाइल कॉमा delimiter. Delimiter means delimiter comma, that means the values of the file, the content of the file will be separated as comma. नाम में ही तो है comma separated value, comma separated values, comma separated. तो किसके द्वारा separated किया गया है, comma के द्वारा, comma within quote, single quote. Alright, so this is how it will work. So with today's video, both binary file as well as CSV file is completed. Thank you for watching.